Hi, today I'm going to show you crayon melter. Let's get started opening this box. Here's the holder for the crayon melter. Here's the charger for the crayon melter. Here's the crayons, and here's the cleaner, and here's the wax opener. Here I plugged in. We have 3 practice sheets. We have instructions for all the crayons. First, we need to snap this into 4 pieces. You can insert all the pieces. Now I'm going to practice with my crayon melter. Wow, I'm doing a pretty great job so far. You have to put it and get it out. Put, get it out. Put, get it out. It kind of looks like cleaning out my colors. So this is the remainders of our crayon. It's still a crayon, a usable crayon. Starts out. Can you? Well, you have to wait for it. Wow! Look at those bubbles. Here comes more. Wait. Here I've done my fish, and now I'm going to try duck painting. Since at my home we have a lot of crayon, so if you have a crayon from Crayola, you can use your cutter, cut it, and then you can easy like that. We've already got here. Look, we have the tag. We're gonna snap these. Now we're gonna insert the pill. Here we have mandala art, and I'm going to use my crayon melter on it. Here I've completed the mandala art. Look at how it is. Here is my practice sheet. Here is the fish. And here is the turtle swimming in the ocean. The crayon melter is very fun. You should try it out. So I have a lot of crayons. So I use a fun crayon melter to have fun with crayons. Look at all that beautiful painting I've done. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe Kavita Passion.